Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, kwina bisha ino ira trend ya Muthoni wa Kiruba na Oscar Sudi. Kyoria kinene, bisha ino ni real kana ni AI? Kyoria kingi, Muthoni wa Kiruba agikorwo bisha ino ni real, macemanitie na Oscar Sudi kwareria uhoro wa ki yatiriri. Na giki nikyo kyoria andu aingi maroria guku nenda-ini after bisha ino guthie viral muno. Kai Muthoni etikirite, kai Baby Top etikirite kugurwo aume mwena wa one term uria akoretwo agitetera Wanjiku na Mukenya na Mugikuyu na njira nene, aingire mwena wa two term wa andu aria mahinyiriria Mugikuyu na Mukenya. Kai ena price tag, kai ena thogora na iguo akoretwo agitetera Akenya. Now bisha ino ungirora irarinkire kugera WhatsApp group imwe iretwo Mount Kenya Shapers. Na mundu uria urona ararikire bisha ino ni mundu uretwo Muthoni Kiruba, na bisha irekirwo hau na hau kenda ikandikwa tiriri za advances. Unaona kidole imekataa kuamka. Gusheni kera ya kuonania two term. Muthoni Kiruba akera Sanchez unaona kidole imekataa kuamka. Na yake Sanchez yakauga ala atiriri. Nemona bisheo. Guys, what's going on? Niki kirathi na bere. Bisasi bisheno. Kwena bisheno ege ekiretwo. Reu guoko kuria kuhumbirite Muthoni wa Kiruba gutamuhumbirite maitho-ini. Ni ukuona mundu uyu kuragituika ni Oscar Sudi agithekete na othe marorete kamera. No ungirora bisheno keenly ni ukuona uyu ni ukuona bisheno, it's more of AI generated. Ino riu marorete, this picture is more of AI generated. Tondu ungirora mundu ucio uthio ndahuana Oscar Sudi kabisa. It's more of AI generated bisheno marorete na pere. Nikirori atiriri, was that picture real? Kana hihi ni AI makigeria guthukiria Muthoni wa Kiruba, makigeria kuonania Muthoni wa Kiruba neingirite mwena wa two term. You see, there's one thing that's going on, ladies and gentlemen. Hello domwe weho. Andu aya a two term, as we speak, they are very desperate. Na desperation yao no mahuthire ona AI guthondeka bisha taishi. Tora uguo tu. No ikoroti AI. Hihi no ikoronima. Hello domwe weho, ladies and gentlemen. Mwena uyu wa two term we very desperate. Kina no akoro hii nerito kwina mundu fulani arutaga wira radio fulani, nocio ni akoretwo agitetera Mugikuyu na njira nene muno, ni akoretwo agitetera Wanjiku Mukenya na njira nene muno. Must go ndagioka kumuface atumaga kwiko ni must go atumaga andu akia guoko andu ta Mukarabati Oscar mathi mari na mundu ucio agikone deal egwekwo ekwo tha icio. So I don't know if it's real or not real. No andu ni maritie na ni gwete turore muno niki andu marite uri andu marauga tondu Muthoni wa Kiruba ndari araria uhoro uyu. But the big question is, andu maroria tiriri, Muthoni wa Kiruba no akorwo hihi ena price tag, no akorwo hihi nekirite bei yake, no akorwo hihi nekugurika gukorwo riu uri aragia uhoro wa one term we negutiga ambie kwaria uhoro wa two term. Kyo nikyo kyoria kinene muno, na Muthoni wa Kiruba through page yake ndi ndona akiaddress uhoro wa bisheno iria erikite guku online. But reke turore uri andu ugite guku nenda-ini. He mundu uretwo riri, kuna mundu uretwo Councillor Njohi. Councillor Njohi augite the trending wa Kiruba photo was actually leaked by her. Nake mwana thini wa WhatsApp hiyo ugite Muthoni Kiruba ati ye mwenyewe ni ararikire bisha hiyo. The trending wa Kiruba photo was actually leaked by her. Wa Kiruba is solidly in one term. Not even a crane can lift her second finger. Ni ukona uria Sanchez ekugita hukeda. Hena mundu ungi aritaha na uyu nerikite message nene no ndenda tumithoma iyothe. Ladies and gentlemen, mwene uria mundu augite aitwo mundu uyu aretwo Muchoka Kagunya nake augite ho. There seems to be a well calculated move to silence voices that have been bloodily speaking truth to power. When leaders in positions of influence begin calling out corruptions, injustice, or extrajudicial actions, suddenly we see political leaders flocking their spaces, not necessarily to reason, but to create the image that they are now with us. We saw it when Bishop Kengei constantly called the government, then suddenly politicians flooded his church. During Baba's burial, the ACK bishop from the Bondo Diocese strongly condemned corruption. Yesterday, Rugwe Sunday, we see government leaders fellowshipping at his church. The meeting between Oscar Sudi and Muthoni wa Kiruba raises similar questions. Is it genuine dialogue or strategy to neutralize critical voices? As we slow approach to 2027 general elections, Kenya must remain alert. Not every public handshake means accountability has been achieved. Something is simply means criticism is being managed. A nation progress when voices of truth remain independent, not when they are absorbed into political optics. Namwona ati uhoro toyo nenda mwira higwa kinara kana regime mekwenda gute mundu kana mekwenda guthi kwaranira mundu matomaga andu ao moko. Nenda mwira tiriri the main reason ya maundu maya ni tondu hihi Muthoni wa Kiruba akoretwo akiruta thirikari ino mahitia na gwika maundu maya ni guthi kumwira ndugikoretwo ugiturutira mahitia na njira nene ndukihora horere uria mundu uyu arauga. Hina kaundu kekikire muthenya wa Sunday. I don't know if it was coincidence ama ilikuwa aje. After bisheno ya Muthoni wa Kiruba kumira, birthday ya mundu gwitwo Githaiga wa Chai. Githaiga wa Chai ni akinya handu atondo andu ni marega guthie thiini wa birthday yake akiambia kwaria uhoro wa tutam. Atiriri ni muonire ni ao mokire thiini wa birthday yo baadaye na magitwarithia birthday yo. Toro uguo tu makire thiini wa birthday yo na magicoka makire Githaiga bia wega. Ni andu akoretwo agi criticize. Toro uguo tu andu aya ni tumoi me mwena wa thirikari na nio magemirie birthday ya Githaiga. Andu aya me mwena wa tutam na nio magemirie birthday ya Githaiga. Niki Githaiga at first augite oro wa tutam, baadaye tukiona andu a tutam nio moka kugemia igongona riake. Was it a coincidence? Yatiriri yes Githaiga ni acokire kiuga one time baadaye. No riri niko theiwe tugikinya next year kwina andu mena price tag ayo tuonete magikorwo magiruta thirikari mahitia magitetera Mugikuyu nio tukamona ni mambia kwaria uhoro wa tutam. Niko huthaire ni guguthii uguo ladies and gentlemen, tondu uhoro uyu ni makitie andu muno. Guys, inywe mwona atia uhoro wa maundu maya? Yatiriri nitwagirwo gukorwo twi alert muno na tutikaregeze kamba andu makorwo mamwite ni one time like iko one time gina mwisho. Andu individually no magurike no mutigetikire kugwa mitego-ini. Muthoni wa Kiruba nderaria uhoro wa bisheo ndiekana ni kwaria uhoro wayo, reke twete tuone tuigue uria guthi na mbere. Anyway guys, it is what it is. Maybe ni undu wari private uracoka urarutwo guku nenda-ini igetha kuonania Muthoni wa Kiruba me hamwe na thirikari. I don't know, but anyway, like so see, tuone uria uikara na tuone uria maundu meguthi na mbere. Uria wi podcast moni manyumraiko inyui munona atia. Thank you Gamatino Mathime. Guys, it is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Thank you. God bless you.